Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Sampo community in Kolokuma local government area of Bayelsa State was illuminated with sparkling colors as dignitaries from all walks of life went to pay their last respects to late Pa Abraham Diri, father of Governor Diri, who was laid to rest last weekend. Our correspondent reports that the interment of Pa Diri was the climax of a week-long funeral activities marking the final journey of the octogenarian.
Prominent Nigerians from all walks of life last Saturday joined the Bayelsa State Governor, Senator Diri, to bid farewell to his late father, Pa Abraham Diri, whose remains were laid to rest in Sampo community, Kolokuma local government area of the state. The funeral commendation service at St. Peter's Anglican Church, Sampo, was attended by former President Olusegun Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan and his wife, Dame Patience Jonathan, Vice President Yemi Oshibanjo, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, and Mr. Peter Obi, all of whom spoke glowingly about the deceased. As a teacher who served within and outside his community, the late Pa Diri mentored many pupils who are today successful men and women. In his goodwill message, former President Obasanjo, who spoke through Vice President Oshibanjo, admitted that after a humble beginning, Pa Diri became great and remained so in death.
The Bible says that in all labor there is profit. Proverbs 14 verse 23. All the labor, decent, honest labor, doing the right things, as a teacher and as a mentor to many. The reward came, not just in his son becoming governor, but look at the array of individuals today who celebrate this humble teacher and this man who brought up so many. So we bless the Lord for his life.
The octogenarian father of the Bayelsa State Governor passed away on the 13th of February 2023, while the Prosperity government was marking its 3rd anniversary. The sad incident jolted most Bayelsans, yet they chose to roll out the drums in celebration of an iconic personality who gave them a rare gift, personified by Senator Diri. As part of a week-long activities marking the exit of the deceased, a boat regatta depicting the rich Ijaw cultural heritage was in display, while elegantly dressed Bayelsans turned out in their numbers to witness the service of songs held in honor of the late octogenarian.
From what we've heard about the father, that's what we're seeing in our governor, and we're so happy that, Pa AJM gave us this kind of leader, a humble man, a man of integrity. That's who he is.
Papa has been a good man. What he has done on the ground, we have to copy it. A teacher for the olden days, those are good people.
As former President Goodluck Jonathan, who is also an ex-governor of Bayelsa State, maintained at the funeral commendation service, the demise of the late patriarch of the Diri family called for celebration and not mourning as he lived life to its fullest.
Today we are mourning our father who lived 8 good years on earth. So it's actually a celebration. He died on a day or a period the state was celebrating. The governor was presiding over a celebration ceremony of the state, and he died there, telling us that it should not be mourned, it should be celebrated. Your Excellencies, I join the Diri family to thank all of you and all the members of the congregation and pray that his death should bring more blessing to the family.
It is no gainsaying the fact that Nigeria stood still for late Pa Diri on the occasion of his funeral. Those who came to pay their last respects included sitting governors in the Niger Delta and their counterparts in other regions of the country. Others were past and present federal lawmakers, top traditional rulers, and captains of industry. In his vote of thanks, Senator Diri described his late father as a humble and forthright man who instilled uncommon virtue in his children.
For us, our father has impacted positively on all of us who are his children. And I think that virtually all of us who are his children have those positive deposits on all of us. Even in death, I want to thank this great man. From the bottom of my heart, my family, the thankful state, we want to appreciate you, and may God grant you journey mercies as you return.
The late Pa Diri, aged 88, was a devout Christian who in his active days served as a lay reader at the St. Peter's Anglican Church, St. Paul, where his remains were brought before his Creator for the repose of his soul.
Inside the Niger Delta,